Don't stop your crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe and warm. This bond between us, so it can be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. You'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. You'll be in my heart. No matter what they say. Yes, you'll be in my heart. Always. Why can't they understand the way we feel? They just don't trust what they can't explain. I know we're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all. You'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. You'll be in my heart. No matter what they say. Yes, you'll be in my heart. Always.
Ang manaming makapangyarihan ay gaway maawain at mapagpatawad kailanman. Kami lumuluhog para kay Roberto na yung tinawag upang iyong makapiling. Pakundangan sa kanyang pag-asa at pananampalataya, maihatid nawa siya sa kanyang talagang bayan at magkamit ng ligayang pang magpakailanman.
I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone.
Una po sa lahat, ang aming pong pagpapaabot ng pakikiramay sa pamilya, sa kanyang asawa, sa kanyang mga anak, sa mga kapatid, kaibigan, sa lahat po na nagmamahal kay Roberto. Tunay na tayo po ay nalulungkot sa paglisan ng ating minamahal na si Roberto.
Through the years, through all the good and bad, I knew how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day.
Ating pinakamagandang pabaon sa kanya, ang ating mga dasal. Pakiusap sa Diyos, ang kanyang tingnan ay ang kanyang pagiging maibigin sa napakaraming paraan. Sa kanyang pagiging mabuting asawa, sa kanyang pagiging mabuting tatay, kapatid, kaibigan. At ang ating pakiusap din, siya'y patawarin sa kanyang mga kasalanan at pagkukulang dala ng kanyang kahinaan bilang tao.
I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt.